Can that be cut out? Can that be edited?
All right.
All right, here is we'll start with our piece of paper. Notice my attitude about drawing here. 8 to 12 strokes for every line. 8 to 12 strokes for every line. The line emerges. I'm drawing all 4 lines at the same time. Let's put in our horizon line at the top. Actually, this time, let's do this. Let's change our horizon line. Let's put our horizon line in the middle. Because we're the artist, we can put it high, middle, low, anywhere we want it to go. All right. And so we have a horizon line there. Let's put a vertical line here. Save some room at the top and bottom. Let's connect it to the left and to the right. Notice there's lots of strokes there. Not just one line. Spread the wealth around there. So do the front vertical, then connect the sides to these vanishing points. And we want those vanishing points to be right on the edge of the paper. And I recommend using 18 by 24 inch newsprint for this. And let's reinforce the lines of the actual thing. What we've got here. If I can erase it. I learned this cube system. See, it's a cube. We can make it into put a sidewalk here, a sidewalk here. We can put another building here. I learned this system at LSU, and I understand this came from the Bauhaus. These cubes right here came from the Bauhaus. So if I could put a door, a window, some windows above here. I could put buildings down the street. And all parallel lines go to the vanishing points, or it's vertical. Now this building, the eye level here goes through the building. It's behind there. We can't see it anymore, but notice we can't see the top of the building or the bottom of the building because our eyes are here. You can't see the top when our eyes are there. Now let's go to another one. Let's do the same formula. So let's do here's our paper, 18 by 24 newsprint. You could also practice these on computer printer paper. Let's put that horizon high. All right? Horizon high. So on this system, let's do a vertical line right here. Shorter, save room at the bottom, more room at the top. And the more room you save here, the easier it is going to be to draw. Then we have long connecting lines here and here, here and here. And then we're going to put the same procedure. Front vertical, connect it to the vanishing points, then put in the 2 sides. And notice I draw the 2 sides here at the same time, a little bit left, a little bit right. It's all plastic, it's changeable. That's a good attitude to have when you're drawing. You don't want it set in stone. My students say, well, how can I draw 2 lines at once? I only have 1 pencil. I say, yes, but it's only 1 drawing. So how do we finish the top? So okay, this cube here is below eye level. We're going to see the top. How does that work? How does that work? Now some students say, oh, okay, it's going to go to there. Or some students kind of just eyeball it in there. But remember, parallel lines and relationships. So our top, this line goes to here. This point, these 2 points connect. And these are hard to draw. It takes some practice to draw these straight lines. We need speed, and then the straightness will come with practice, lots of repetitions. So we have the cube on eye level, the cube below eye level. We could turn that over, or we could draw it above. We could draw the cube left and right. Let's put a small one way over here. This is what the computers do when you play Grand Theft Auto or Mario Kart, or those 3-dimensional games where you move through the 3-dimensional world. It's changing the horizon, and it's changing the vanishing points on the horizon to show you those different views. We can manipulate that We can move it, we can change it, we can make it into different shapes, including cylinders and other shapes. We can connect them, we can remove them, we can put things on them. And this is all very good to help you understand. You can draw what you see, and then you can understand what you're seeing. And once you can put those two together, you can really draw very well. Object drawing, very well. All right, that's it for that one, and we'll go